Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no imposters or substitutes. And this is Bburgh unboxing number 43, I believe. And here we have an envelope. And I didn't have another scissor at hand, and I wish I had, because these things are really not up to doing the job. Oh, it just tears. Okay, that'll make it easier. The envelope just tears open. And here's the invoice. And we have here my new charging cable for my iPad. And this is because my iPad charging cable is really frayed at one end, and I didn't do it. So it has a lifetime guarantee. So here's the nice carrying case. I'll order another one of these eventually. I can take in my backpack. But the thing is, on this one, that this part right there, the wire and the covering completely rotted to where there was bare metal showing, and it wouldn't charge my iPad right. So I got a new cable. I'm very happy to get that. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be, and I will catch you next time in another video. Bye-bye for now.